So let's talk about generating leads. There's a couple simple techniques. First and foremost, let's talk to your friends and family. Odds are great that they know someone or know someone who knows someone. That's the kind of people you want to talk to. Once you've exhausted who your friends and family can give you, take a look at your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc., social media networks. Take a look at professional trade associations and groups. You'd be amazed how many places where the people that you want to talk to are already organized in one spot. And all you got to do is find the appropriate way to get introduced to that group of people to start talking to them. Craigslist is an incredibly powerful tool. The Sprint book, a great book, highly recommend you check it out. Their blog has details on how you can take advantage of Craigslist to very cheaply find a great group of statistically relevant folks to do interviews with. We'll link to that in the notes below. And of course, the most powerful source is referrals. So every time you finish an interview with someone, you want to be asking them for an introduction to someone else who they think would enjoy talking to you about this topic. It's pretty simple. Good luck.